Okay, now that I can highlight one field, let's see if I can one piece of text. Let's see if I can highlight all of the text. Let's go make this a little bit wider. There we go. Alright, let's go find highlight text. Bam, bam. Okay, and then here I want to do for text in texts. Highlight text, text. That means I can get rid of that. And then get rainbow color. Oh, how am I going to do? I want to do with indices. It's like something like with index. No. How? Closure, iterate with index. Map indexed. Alrighty. So if I do map indexed, and then that should give me index text. Map index. Show me map indexed. I'm trying to find out, is it index and then item? Okay. Map index. Oh. Can I just... Do I have to provide a function? That seems kind of silly. This is exactly the function that I want, but I don't want to actually write that out. Let's see. Let item... yeah, I could do that. Yeah, okay, I guess I'll do that. Alright. Index, range, count, texts. Now I'm thinking like this texts right here probably has the texts from both pages, so I probably want to filter it based on which page it's for. Page component, when this is called, it is given page? Wait, this doesn't have text at all. Oh, I'm getting texts out of the page. Oh, okay, yeah, so it should be okay. Okay, so then do that, and then we'll do let text nth texts index. Okay, and the reason I wanted that is so that here I could put index to make it have like a beautiful rainbow of colors. Yeah, yay! Wow. I don't know why that was so amusing, but it was. Oh, I gotta do rotation. Okay. I do not know the math to turn skew and stuff into a rotation. Oh, but I think it's in here somewhere. Rotation. How is the rotation calculated? Oh, I made a function for calculating the rotation from the transform. Alrighty. So now I just need to know if I have an SVG rectangle, SVG rect rotate. Can I do that? I hope so. Transform rotate. What? Will rotate 45 around the point, blah blah. Oh. Is that from... That must be from origin. What an odd... Okay. Well, what is the point that I want to rotate around? It looks like I want to rotate around... I'm actually not sure. Okay, so I think this block here is intended to cover the word form right here, and then it needs to be rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise around some point that will make it so that it looks like there, but that's not quite the bottom of the rectangle. Yeah, I think if I just rotate right at the bottom of the rectangle, it will rotate and be slightly off. On the other hand, is that the only rotated text? It looks like that's the only rotated text, so maybe I don't care too much. But that's going to annoy me. But I can highlight all of the text. Okay, so I think I'll just make a commit out of that. And then I'll try to rotate next. Excuse me. So I don't need that anymore. And I have that. That's all the changes. So I don't need to get a specific text because I'm doing a loop to give me all of the texts. Oh, shouldn't I have like a key that goes along with it? I feel like I should have a key. Where was that? Texts. No, that's not. Highlight text. Okay. So I need a, oh my gosh, key index. That should be good. Okay, and refresh. Looks like that worked. Okay, cool. Highlight text. So that goes there. I suppose this should take in a rotation. Rotation. And maybe let's make this width and height. And really I should probably just make this into a map. Actually, yeah, if I made this a map, I could just have it here. A map with all of the right names. Okay, so they say transform equals rotate. So I want I don't already have a transform. Okay, so transform is rotate around, let's just say 90 degrees around the, is it spaces? Yeah, okay. Space around the X and Y. 90 space X space Y. Oh, this is going to rotate everything. Okay, yeah, so I will make it be rotation and then a space and And need to go here. Keys, XY width height as text, color, rotation, and then, yeah, this is starting to look more like I should just keep it as a map the whole way. Highlight text. Yeah, but whatever. Highlight text here. Text here. Oh man, okay. Merge. And we'll do let rotation equal to state rotate. What was it? Rotate. Rotation. Geometry, get rotation angle. Okay. Highlight text. Okay. Transform of the text. Okay. Merge text with rotation. Rotation. Maybe I should just get the rotation out of, like, when I extract the PDF. Okay. But let's see if this works. No. Alrighty. Get rotation angle, transform text. Highlight text takes in a map that has a rotation and a bunch of other stuff. Highlight text takes in a map that has a rotation and a bunch of other stuff. Oh, I don't actually pass the rotation on. And how did I do it here? Okay, cool. The rotation. Okay, refresh. Still no. What's in the console? Doesn't like. Each child in the list should have a unique key prop. Don't they? Refresh. What? Have a unique key. Hold up. Oh. Okay. I feel like something isn't indenting correctly or something. Okay. That seems to be right now. Let's try refreshing. Did I do that wrong? Highlight text. Width, height. Oh, I didn't actually change this. Whoops. Height. Does that work? Okay, cool. Yay. Aw. Okay, that didn't work. Why? Why didn't that work? Rotate. Rotation. Oh, transform. Transform. Still didn't work. Okay, so we have a transform where the transform is going to be rotate by that amount. Okay, let's see if we go into inspector. Let's see if we can drill down and find the rotation and why it doesn't match. SVG, SVG, G, and we have a bunch of rectangles. Rotate, probably, so that is, I think that's tau. So I want to turn that number into degrees. How did the other one do it? Let's go look at rotation. Because the other one used this number as it is. Okay. So I guess the rotate of canvas takes in, what are they called? Radians. Okay. Alright, how do I get pi in Clojure? Pi in Clojure. With the constant pi, wait, Clojure.math.pi, I guess? Math/pi, okay. Alrighty. Here. Yeah, I'll do it here. No. Yes. Sure. Let's do it here. So we want to divide by pi and then multiply by 180. Or we could divide by tau. I wonder if tau is available. Clojure tau. Probably just tau.alpha. That's probably not what I want. 500 digits of tau. Yeah. Math/pi. Actually, yeah, if I do that, I get nil. Okay. So I probably have to do import Clojure.math as math up here or something, or require Clojure.math as math. Math/pi. Now do I get? No. Let binding, okay. Oh, didn't like that. What did it not like? Math? Yeah. Oh. It's trying to, okay. Okay, so I want to take that number, multiply by a thing, and then divide by this. Wait. Okay, so I want to take this number here, divide by pi, and then multiply by 180. Let's see, divide by pi, and then multiply by 180. Yeah, I think that's good. And then that'll be the rotation. Can I do that? It looks like it. Math/pi. There we go. Math/tau. Ah, boo. Okay, fine. All right, let's see if that worked. Yay, kind of. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's not quite the right spot to rotate around. It kind of looks like the spot that it should rotate around is like a couple pixels up, which is odd. Oh, interesting. This looks like this text sticks up above the highlight just a little bit. Oh, same here. Same here. Same in a lot of places. Oh, all of this text looks like it's like a pixel off. What? Why? Well, that's not good. Okay, that might explain why this is off. Maybe. Okay, so we're off by a pixel. Alright, so that's kind of annoying, but it looks like the rotation works. Is there something on the next page that is rotated? I don't think so. I think that's the only rotated text in the entire thing. Yep. Okay, I will make a commit out of that. Rotation is sort of working, and highlighting all of the text is working. Let's see. Wait, what? Oh, it didn't actually make a commit out of this. Sure, I'll make a commit out of that. Highlight all the text, and then we'll make a commit out of this. Rotate the highlight to match the text, and then push, and so that is CE2B193.